In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted items in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Monday.com, knowing how to retrieve items you've accidentally deleted can be a real lifesaver. Let's begin by opening up your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you believe the item was located. Think of your boards as digital workspaces organized to facilitate your specific needs and projects. Often, people work on multiple boards, so double-checking that you're in the right one is always a good first step. Once you're in the correct board, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see 3 small horizontal dots. This spot is often referred to as the board's options menu, and here lies the gateway to many of the board's features that will give you more control over your data. So go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Now, once you've clicked, you'll see a list of options pop up. Among these options, you'll find something intriguing, an option called View Archive Trash. Move your cursor over this option. This is the point where you make a choice. As you hover over it, another set of options will spread out, revealing the Trash component. Click on Trash. When you click on Trash, the board will transform to display items that have previously been deleted. You can think of this section as a safety net for your deleted items. This feature can be particularly handy if you've accidentally deleted something vital. Browsing through your trash, you can see all your deleted items, offering you a straightforward way to review and restore them if necessary. It's worth mentioning how Monday.com's design prioritizes ease of access to its features, including help for accidentally deleted items. By utilizing the trash feature on your boards, you can comfortably backtrack and recover things you may have thought were gone for good. Knowing where to find your deleted items can drastically reduce the stress and hassle associated with accidental deletions. That's all it takes. Now you know how to find and access deleted items in your Monday.com boards. This simple process can save you time and help prevent data loss, letting you focus on what truly matters for your projects. Whenever you stumble upon any trouble like this, simply come back to these instructions and navigate Monday's interface confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in keeping your projects organized and stress-free. Make sure to check back for more tips and tricks about using Monday.com and improving your workflow.